morning, Daily Davers. It's Alec. We're still in Singapore. Woo! So yesterday, I promised we'd put some videos from the party. We could not take any photos. Sorry about that. But today, very exciting day. Noam is going to speak twice at the Blockchain Economic Forum here in Singapore. I'm super looking forward to that. We're going to meet more exciting ICOs and different people from the blockchain sphere. We'll update you soon. Bye, guys.
Hey everyone, so today I prospected and researched 8 or 9 autonomous vehicle companies that are local to me here in Vancouver. I prepared some materials to onboard a new member of the Business Solutions Group to help us accelerate what we're doing in the DAV Alliance, and I also fine-tuned a major press release that should be pushed out sometime this week, and we'll be doing that through our public relations firm. As for my hit list tomorrow, I'll be curating our photographic galleries for media use, and I'll also be reaching out to a number of DAV Alliance candidates, and I will have press to speak to. So that's it for me, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, yesterday was all about the pre-sale, today is all about the pre-sale, but I will also be continuing to facilitate our social accounts, keeping you up to date on what Noam and Alec are doing in Singapore, what we're doing all over the world, and in addition I will be coordinating the publication of our first DAV Insider. You'll find out what that is soon enough. See you tomorrow.
Hey, good morning. So yesterday, Lior and I worked on the new communication protocol, and I started working with Copter Express's API. I was able to contact their drones in Moscow, get information from them, and even send them commands. That was really cool. Today, I'm focused on just one thing. I'll be working to get our delivery drone project up and running. That means creating issues of missions, mission control, planning it, integrating the API, seeing what additions we need to do to our smart contracts and all of that fun stuff. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys. Yesterday I edited the pricing model across all of our communication protocols, and I started building a new protocol for the vehicle locating scenario, which I completed today, a very basic version, the first one. I guess once we'll start with the POC with the robots company, many edits will come in, but this is the first version and it's ready by now. And I'm starting to implement the new colors and new design that we have for our website onto our developer portal. So the new colors and new images, working closely with our designer. And I'll continue working on this one today. So I think this is it. Thanks guys.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So last week, Friday, my main focus was to go ahead and get the website to a great point, both from a design standpoint, from a wireframe standpoint, from a content standpoint, and then also focusing on some of our paid advertising, working with our paid partner there. So a lot of great progress. Today is a big day as well, doing a ton of work towards getting the website just finalized and working on all the branding surrounding the new website launch, which is happening tomorrow morning, very early tomorrow morning. So a lot of great focus and progress on that. So that's pretty much where my head's at, all around the branding and the website and making sure all those assets match up. Thanks everybody, have a good day.
Hi everyone. Today I'll make a few new variants image banner for our homepage. After then I'll make new design banners, and after then I'll make new business card for member our team. I'll make it new style our brand. Also I'll make design for our social channel. After then I'll start new task, create headers for communication protocols based on new design guidelines. I'll make new illustration for header. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.